What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's Chris back here at Beamer Nuts. Today we have got ourselves another little project car. This is going to be a super quick video just to show you the new car we're going to try and enter this £515,000 challenge. So I've bought a car and I'm sat in the car. Some of you might be able to guess, some of you maybe not able to guess, but anyway, it's French. And it's small. So I'll tell you what, let's put you out of your misery and let's have a look at the car we've bought. So we are in so it's got come on, find me, there we go. So the camera focuses now. So we have got ourselves a car and it's sat right there. It's not that one there, or that one there, or the one behind it. It's actually there, so let's put you out of your misery. Oh, I think I might just showed you it, but anyway. There she is, We have bought ourselves a 1 litre Peugeot 107 Sport XS. I've actually heard quite good things about these little cars. The cool little Sport XS badge on it, if it wants to focus. Okay, no, fancy it? No. So anyway, so we bought ourselves a little Peugeot 107 Sport XS. The Sport model, it's a 1 litre. Car's covered 81,000 miles. It's on the 07. It is a good, clean little car. The car itself has no damage. It's clean, tidy. Well, as you can see from the car is what it is. A little 1 litre. Give you a little walk around a bit now. Car's clean, tidy. There's no real any damage to the car, no issues with the car. Doesn't come with alloys as standard. It's got the Peugeot. It's actually got Citroen wheel covers on. Maybe we'll change them. Don't know. Around the back, it's a clean little car. 107. Yeah. We got this car for an absolute steal. We won it at auction. What I do think it is I think the car itself has been broken into because it's got different locks. So you can see there, it's the actual car key. So I think it's had his locks changed. And you can let me know in the comments. So in the cockpit itself, it's got this nice little red. I don't know if you can see it or not. Red as you can see because of the light. Let's just flip you out. We'll do it this way instead. So when in the car, what we've got is a very, it's a basic one. The light will catch up and be good. Let's give it a little click there. Find me! Oh, it's just super dark. And we'll just have to do the old exposure thing on it. No, oh, gone the wrong way. Excuse the old camera skills, I'm still getting used to it. So inside the car, what's it got? So hasn't got remote central locking. It hasn't got electric mirrors. But what it has got has aux input for the stereo. You can see that it's a nice little red one. Well, the stereo's not red, obviously, the interior is red. So you've got the centre console, which is mapped out red to match the gear knob, door handles, and there's the Peugeot. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that or not, there's a little bit of thunder going off there. And the car itself's covered 81,000 miles and is in pretty good condition. What we'll do is we'll pop the bonnet. I believe doesn't come with any service history, unfortunately, but I've been through the car and it looks like it's been recently serviced. Start the bonnet up. So let's just go and have a look at the engine bay. Anytime my camera wants to catch up, it'd be good. And just play with the settings. There we go. So the camera, and get the bonnet open. So there it is. Not a lot to it really. It's got quite a tiny little clean engine bay, if I'm honest. Yeah, there it is. there's not a lot to it at all really. So this is our first attempt at a flip car. Well, for this 515,000 mile challenge, we're going to do, I think I can do it in 6 months, maybe a little bit less, but we'll see. So anyway, so we've got ourselves a little 107 with Citroen wheel cap hubs on. So anyway, what we'll do is we are going to get this car listed. What I'll do is I'll take some pictures of the listing and I'll stick it in the listing below, and what we'll do is probably do a screen recording when we do it. But anyway, hopefully you like the idea of us taking part in this £515,000 challenge, and hopefully you stick around and watch it, and hopefully watch us make some money, and hopefully you'll take on some tips that I use to hopefully help yourselves, and you help yourselves make some money. So anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. It has only been a short video today, and please don't forget to hit up the subscribe button. Please put your comments below, let me know what you think, if you think this is a decent first car for a flip challenge. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Peace out, we'll catch you in the next one.